This video will show you how to see your boards on Shein app. To do so, open your Shein application and also make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the heart icon at the top right hand corner, which will open up your wish list. There, on the right corner, you'll be able to see the boards option. Tap on it to open up your boards. The boards feature on Shein allows you to save items you like in one place. You can create a board by tapping on this plus icon at the top, give your board a name, and then tap on the Create Board button to create a new board. You can create your boards for different occasions or styles and add items to them. This feature will be useful if you want to keep track of items you like and plan outfits. That is how you can easily find your boards on Shein application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these videos like this. Thank you for watching.